Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you how to interrupt negative thinking. If you're on a brain rewiring journey, this is a very important component of your journey, and oftentimes this is overlooked by retrainers. And the reason is this is probably the most difficult part. When we become aware of our thoughts, we suddenly realize how many negative thinking patterns we have, and this can cause an overwhelm trying to catch them, trying to redirect them. So I am going to give you a more streamlined process of dealing with these negative thinking patterns. So the first thing you want to do is look for patterns in your thinking. So if you have negative thoughts, select only 2 a day that seems to be repeating. If it's repeating, it is a pattern. So you want to write it down on one side of a piece of paper and say, old limiting beliefs or negative thinking. And on the other right-hand side, I want you to write the title, Health-Affirming Ways to Think. And when you write down a pattern such as, I am never going to get better, or I am not healing, on the other side of it, I want you to come up with a more health-affirming, softening message that has a tone of hope. If you're having trouble coming up with a message for you that is more health affirming, bring to mind somebody you love, a child, a spouse, a parent, and think about what you would say to them if they were having negative thoughts about something. Oftentimes we are able to come up with soothing messages for others, but we are unable to automatically give that same kindness to ourselves. So this method actually practices that as well, the message of self-compassion and self-love. If that method doesn't work for you, you can also use Google or ChatGPT. Just type or paste in your message and see what it gives you for a healthy redirect. And you can always refine it if it doesn't give you exactly the message that you're looking for. Once it is written down, the redirect, I want you to take a look at it and try to internalize that message. So see what the original message was, see what the redirect is, reread the redirect, and try to remember and internalize and make it your own. I want you to repeat this process every day with 2 different redirects, because consistency and repetition is very important when it comes to brain rewiring. So in order to do that, you want to put this document in an easily accessible location, because when you have these thoughts come up, you want to write them then right away. Otherwise, if you think you're gonna, just write it down later, you're likely going to forget about it. So have it accessible, write it down, get the redirect from however it is easiest for you to get it, write it down and internalize it. And once you have been doing this process for a couple of weeks or maximum a couple of months, this is actually going to go on autopilot. You are going to be able to do this without having to write it down. You're not going to need ChatGPT, or you're not going to need to use any other method to try to come up with these healthy redirects. Your mind will automatically go to the redirect, and that's what we want to achieve with brain rewiring. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you in the next video.